Hello, and welcome to this training on how to navigate Ketchum's new Land Development Code. This chapter consolidated Title 16, Subdivision Regulations, Title 17, Zoning Regulations, and sections of Title 12 into one chapter. The new consolidated code has officially been adopted and will take effect on January 1st, 2026. The purpose of this video is to help you understand how to navigate the new document and where things are located. As you may know, the Ketchum Municipal Code is available online at ketchumidaho.org. We will be working to incorporate the new Land Development Code into the online platform. However, this process will take some time. Until then, the new Title 16 will be available only through this PDF document. Title 16 and 17 will be temporarily disabled online, and a link to this PDF will appear in their place. You can also access the document on the Comprehensive Plan and Code Update page on projectketchum.org. So, the new code features interactive hyperlinks that make navigating the code quick and easy. In the table of contents, you can click on any chapter, section, or subsection to jump directly to that part of the code. Hyperlinks also appear throughout the document wherever a regulation references another section. For example, if I wanted to view the table of permitted uses in Chapter 1603, I can simply click on the link and it takes me directly there. So I'll scroll down Chapter 1603, find Use Regulations and Table of Permitted Uses, click on it, and it takes me right to the link. And then also the use specific standards on the right side of the table, these are all hyperlinked as well. So this shows how hyperlinks are not only used in the table of contents, but throughout the code as well. And so to return to where you were, you can use a simple keyboard shortcut. For Windows users, press the Alt key in the back arrow to go backwards. And then to go forward, you just press the Alt key in the forward arrow. For Mac users, you'd press the Command key in the back arrow to go backwards and the Command key in the forward arrow to go forward. So this is the quickest way to move back and forth between hyperlinks while you explore the code. We used a one-stop approach for this code, meaning you should be able to find most of what you need in one place. So here's an overview of the 3 chapters with most commonly used regulations. So first, Chapter 1602. This chapter is all about zoning districts and explains what they are, what's allowed in them, and the standards for each zone. It also includes all overlay districts like floodplain and avalanche zones and the basic rules for each zone, such as building height and setbacks. Next is Chapter 1603, Use Regulations. This chapter lists what types of uses are allowed in each zoning district, such as housing, retail, offices, restaurants, and accessory uses. It also includes any rules that apply to those uses. And next, Chapter 1604, Development Standards. This chapter contains the standards that apply to how buildings and sites are designed and built. It covers things like parking, driveways, landscaping, dark skies, design review, and general site layout requirements. This is also where the right-of-way regulations are located now. So now that you know how to navigate the code and where things are located, let's walk through an example of how to find a regulation. Let's say you want to know how tall you can build a building on your property in the limited residential zone district. So first you'd start in the table of contents and find Chapter 1602. And then you'd find LR, the limited residential zone district, and click on that. Under that section, there is a table called Lot and Building Standards, and that tells you all the rules that apply to a property in the LR zone. And on the right side of this table, maximum building height is listed under E, which states 35 feet as the maximum building height. And that's it. So using hyperlinks and quick reference tables, you can quickly find regulations within the new code. Thank you for taking the time to learn how to navigate the new Land Development Code. If you have questions about how to use a document or need assistance locating a specific regulation, please contact the Planning and Building Department. We're here to help during this transitional period. Thank you so much.